You can't read my, no, you can't read my poker face. Happy video day, guys. So today is a really cool video day because I got a really neat package and it is from Haus Laboratories. So this is Lady Gaga's brand and I picked up a few really awesome items from her collection. I wanted to try out as many things as I could from their collection, except for some mask thing that they were selling as well, but I just didn't see a need for it. I went ahead and picked up their Glam Attack, which is a liquid eyeshadow. I picked up a lip liner, a lip gloss, as well as her liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna try on everything for you guys in this video and give you guys my thoughts. So if you guys are new to my channel and you guys don't know who I am, I'm Christina Brooke and this is the Glam Ranch, and what we do here is talk about makeup. So if you guys like that, don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of the Glam Ranch family and see me again. So now that we've gotten over all of that, now we're gonna get into everything Lady Gaga's new brand, Haus Laboratories, and what I'm thinking. Let's try it on, let's play with it, let's look at it, let's see if it's any good, and here we go right now. All right, guys, so the first thing I always do is talk to you guys about packaging. Now, I do wanna tell you guys that this was actually packaged really cute. I actually did not even know it was gonna come in this little case, but I did buy one of their kits. The kit included a lip liner, it also included a lip gloss, and it included a eye shimmer, which is kind of like a liquid eyeshadow that they call it Glam Attack. These three items actually came inside of this bag that says Haus Laboratories on it. And actually this bag is actually pretty nice. Like, I have to admit, it's a plastic bag, but it's a heavy duty plastic bag. And I think that this was really nice. And I didn't even know it was coming in this. I actually thought it was coming like in a kit. And then I picked up the eyeliner, and the eyeliner just came in a standard black packaging. So each one of the products does come in this type of packaging. It's just like a satin black packaging. It says Haus Laboratories on it, and it's just very sleek and black. So now the eye shimmer called the Glam Attack does come in this really cool case. Like, I love the bottom that it actually looks like a diamond down here. It's really, really cool looking, and it is black, and then it also has this diamond feature up on the top, and it's really, really, really pretty. So when you open it up, it does come on this doe foot applicator. So that is what this product looks like, and I actually think that the packaging of the Glam Attack is really, really cool looking. So the lip gloss itself comes in that same exact packaging. It has the beveled top that almost looks like a diamond as well. The applicator of the lip gloss almost has like a dent in it, almost so like it could fit onto your lip. It's actually pretty interesting of an applicator. I'm not used to seeing too many lip glosses with this kind of applicator, but yeah, so that is what the lip gloss looks like. And the lip liner does come in a standard black casing just like this. It does have that really cool beveled kind of diamond look to the top, which is really nice. And then it is just a sharpened pencil. That's basically what the lip liner looks like. The final product that I picked up, which is the eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner. It's in this black casing as well. It says Haus Laboratories, and it has this really cool beveled diamond detail on the top too, which I think is really cool that each product has that. So it does have this really nice thin applicator for the liner. When you close it, it does not pop closed or anything. It just kind of seals. So that is all of the packaging on every single one of the products that I picked up. I also love the black gradient on them. I love the way it looks. I think it looks super cool and very cool girl, very edgy. It reminds me of like a rock star, which I really honestly love. I think all of the packaging is great. The only one that is a little bit questionable is the top on the liquid liner. I'm hoping that this closes hard enough that it doesn't dry out, but like feeling the way it kind of snaps on, I don't know if this seals tight enough for it to not like dry out. So I'm crossing my fingers on that one. But now that we've gotten into all of that, let's go quickly over pricing. I did purchase the set. So the set includes all of these three items, and it does retail for $49 US. And then I picked up the liner separately, which retails for $20 US. So each one of these products you can purchase individually if you wanted to, instead of buying it in the set. The glosses are going to run you $18. These eye shimmers, which are their eyeshadows, are gonna run you $20. The lip liner is gonna run you $16. So for me personally, to buy the set for $49 was a pretty decent deal, so that's why I did it. Now the other cool thing is that it actually came in this really cool bag, so I thought that that was pretty neat, and and this was free, and you can't buy it individually that I can see. Now, another awesome thing is that you can purchase these products on Amazon, and that's where I did this, and I received this the next day. So I ordered it one day, and the next day I got it. I am a Prime member, but that's even faster than Prime. So I got this extremely fast. I love that you could purchase these items on Amazon. I thought that was super cool. So I was really excited to try Haus Laboratories because this is Lady Gaga's brand, like I did say before. Now, Sarah Anton, she is Lady Gaga's makeup artist, and I see her a lot doing makeup on Lady Gaga for a long period of time already, and I really honestly love to watch her makeup artist's Instagram. She always has some really cool stuff. She's very tied into this brand. I'm not sure if she's the creative director or what. I think she has input on everything, so I was very interested, mostly because of that, in this brand. So I definitely wanted to try each of these products out for you guys. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna try each one of these out. I'm gonna show you guys how they work, and then I'm gonna come back here and tell you guys my final thoughts on these products. So I want to try on this Aphrodite All Over Shimmer first. I want to try it on with nothing on the lid. I'm already preparing this one to kind of like do it on top. But I want to see what it looks like with nothing, just so I can show you guys what it would look like if you would apply this to a bare lid. So I'm just going to go ahead and spot that on. Oh, it looks pretty. And then let's just see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like just all over the lid. It gives you a really pretty soft shimmer. If you guys can see. Let me see if I can get a little closer. It's a really pretty soft shimmer. It looks very elegant. I like that. It has a very light undertone to it, so it actually is really good to put all over the lid and just wear it like that. I do like that a lot. I want to see what it looks like on top of a shadow as well. That's why I'm preparing this one. But this is what it would look like with nothing. So I wanted to show you guys that too. So I'm just grabbing this color right here from the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. I keep wanting to call it the Metropolis. The Metropolis palette. And I'm just putting it all over the lid, putting that liquid shadow right on top of an already finished lid, because we want to make sure that it works on top of eyeshadow as well, because that could be a really good way to use this product. So I'm just spreading this all over the lid. And believe it or not, guys, sometimes just doing one simple color all over the lid, putting it a little bit on the lower lash line, and then adding some type of sparkle or something that brings a little life to the lid is all you really need. You don't need to grab a million different shades. So that's what we're gonna do with this look. We're not gonna grab a million different shades. We're just adding a little bit. Now let's jump into the Glam Attack in Aphrodite, and let's put this on top of this shadow, and let's see how it works. Now I'm just gonna grab it with my finger, just because even though you can use these doe foot applicators, I like to be a little bit more precise, and I kind of like dab it here, and then I'll pick it up and spot it on. Ooh, okay, hello. That's really nice. Okay, I like that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. So this kind of reminds me of the Stila ones. I feel like the glitters are a little bit finer in this than they are in the Stila ones. So this is more like a glittery shadow, whereas the Stila ones, I feel like I'm putting on more like straight up glitter. This is more dispersed. Like it's a very thin layer of glitter, but it's really pretty. This is nice. I like this. So that's really pretty if you guys can see the difference. So this one has, this one doesn't, and I'm just gonna add some to this side. And now that I kind of know how this shadow works, I can put it on with the doe foot. I don't think that it disperses so much that you have like a problem. So this is actually a really cool liquid shadow. And now this color, Aphrodite, is actually one of the perfect colors to put over a lot of different hues. So I like that I got this color too. Now I did read on this that it says do not use inside of the eye. So FYI guys, don't use this as a liner or anything. It does says do not use inside of eye. Let me just swatch it for you guys so you guys can see what the color looks like on its own. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick swatch of it. So this right here is Aphrodite. Looks just like this. It has like a nudish pinky undertone, and it has like little silver and nude glitters in there. You definitely see the glitters, and as you guys can see on the lids, you can see the glitter a lot. So this is actually really pretty. I like this a lot. So you know what? Before we move to the eyeliner, let's do the lips, just because I want to make sure that these are dry. So let's go ahead and get onto the lips. So the lips, I got the color Myth, and I got the color Venus. So this came in a set like this. This came in the set with the Aphrodite. So it was these three products. And it also came inside of this little bag. So that's really cute. So let's go ahead and try this on. So let's put on the liner in Myth. Now this looks like, So this is actually a really pretty liner. It almost has like a mauvish brown undertone to it, but ooh, that's pretty. I can't wait to put that on. Oh yeah, this has a lot more mauve in it when you put on the lips. It actually went on really smooth, and that's a really pretty color. And yeah, I like that. I don't have any bronzer or blush or anything on yet, guys, because I'm waiting for the Ghost palette from Hourglass. So if you think I look a little strange, it's because it's not finished. But this went on really smooth. I really like the texture of the lip liner, and so far so good. I like that. So this is a gloss that it came with, and the gloss that I got is in Le RIOT. But it is this color right here. So let's see what the color looks like. Ooh, you guys can see. It's this one right here. It's like a peachy pink. It does look like a gloss, but it does have some pigment to it. So let's see. That's pretty. Okay, so the gloss actually feels pretty good. It doesn't feel too sticky, and it doesn't feel too thick. It's a nice gloss. At the end of the day, it is a gloss. It has some pretty good pigment to it. Is it anything out of this world? No, but it's pretty. It's definitely pretty, and it feels good on the lips. But let's try on the liner. So this one's really exciting me. I've been looking for a good liquid liner. I'm hoping that this Haus Laboratories one will be my new go-to. So this is in the color Punk, and it is a matte then matte liquid eyeliner. Matter than matte. So it's a matter than matte liquid eyeliner. So this is supposed to be a very matte liquid liner. Let me show you guys what the tip looks like. That is what the tip looks like, so you guys can see. So I just got this one right here from Hank and Henry, the one on the top. It looks like the tip is a little tiny bit thinner, but for the most part, they almost look like they have the same tip. That actually makes me pretty excited because I do really like the tip of this new Hank and Henry one I got. So let's see if I can do a good wing with this. I'm not sure. So I finally finished the liner. I went ahead and had to go over and clean up the edges a little bit with a wet wipe. I feel like the tip of this is a little bit hard, and I'll show you guys a swatch of how it applies. So if you just swipe it, it does look very dark. It's very pigmented. It doesn't really look that matte to me. I mean, let's see when it dries, but applying it, it was a little bit stiff at first, and I feel like that's because it was a brand new wand. As I was applying, I was like, ooh, this isn't moving too much, and I was having a little bit of a hard time. But then as it kind of like started getting used a little bit more, it started loosening up. Now, I do feel like it was having a little bit of a harder time going over this glittery Aphrodite product, the Glam Attack. So I think I would love to try this when I don't have that product on my lid, just because I have that problem also with the Stila Glitter and Glows. So I think for having that product on my lids, I think that it did work pretty decent. I can't say right now that I love this liner. I'm kind of questioning this guy, but let me go ahead and put on some mascara, finish off my makeup, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on everything from Haus. All right, guys, so you guys saw it. You guys saw me apply everything. This is the final look, and I have to tell you guys that I like it. I like it. I like most of the products in here. I think that they're all very pretty. Now, I've had this lip gloss on for at least an hour now, and I have to say that I like this lip gloss more than when I applied it now. I feel like it has not broken up on me. It doesn't look goopy. It doesn't look like it's kind of like caked together anywhere. It really feels like a really nice lip gloss, and I feel like the pigment is like still really, really good, like more than some of my other lip glosses. So I actually really like this lip gloss a lot more than when I first applied it. I thought, oh, this is a typical lip gloss, but now I'm actually seeing something more special in it that I didn't see before. So I'm actually really liking this lip gloss a lot. The lip liner is the type of lip liner that I like. I like pencils that you have to sharpen. I don't know, just I guess I like that better than those ones that you roll up and they always break. And it's very creamy. It went on really, really nice, and I like it. So the Glam Attack, the one that I put up on my lids, look, it looks still really, really nice. It's been like an hour. I will wear it the whole night. I'll let you guys know at the end of the night, but I am really enjoying this product as well. I think it's beautiful. I really like the glitter that I have on my lids. I think it's a very fun product, and I like it. And then finally, this product right here, the liner is the one that I'm the most questionable about. Like I said before, what I was telling you guys when I was applying it, I'm a little bit leery on the applicator. I think it's a good applicator. I feel like it was very stiff when I was putting it on. Then it started loosening up on me. So I need to play with this guy a little bit more before I tell you guys whether I like it or not. I'm questionable about this product. I also not thrilled about the way it seals. I told you guys that before. I have a feeling that it doesn't seal good enough to keep the product from drying out, but that's going to be something that I'm going to have to keep on trying, and I will give you guys a follow-up on. But the pigment was there. It applied nicely. Didn't apply that great over this Glam Attack. But then again, most eyeliners don't apply that good over any of these type of eyeshadows. For me, I usually have a harder time with them. So this is the only questionable product. It's not bad. It definitely worked. It did a nice wing. I'm just a little bit leery on it. That's the only one. I really honestly have to say that I am pleasantly surprised with everything that I tried on. I'm actually pretty happy to say that I am very excited to see where this brand is going to go. I love the packaging of this. I think it's really, really cool. And I think that this might be a really neat brand. So I'm excited. I'm excited more because I think that there was some quality products in here. There was a lot of other shades in all of these products that they came out with, but I do feel like the kit that I purchased was the best one for me, and some of the other colors were not in line with what I really love. I will show them on the screen so you guys can see, as well as the lip liners and the lipsticks. There was also a dark red one that I thought was very, very beautiful that I was considering purchasing, but I figured to go with this kit, and the eyeliner only came in black. So overall, I like it. I think it was a nice launch. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know below if you guys ordered this product, if you guys ordered anything from Haus Laboratories, if you guys had any differences of opinions, anything, leave them down below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.